Want to make your notes easier to read or just give them a fresh look? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can quickly change the background color of any note in the Samsung Note app. This is great when you are writing in low light, color coding topics, or just want a style that fits your mood. To do so, open Note app and then open any note. Tap the three dots at the top right and then tap Back Setting. Under background color section, you will see a variety of colors. Pick the one you like best. As soon as you tap it, the background will update instantly. As a note, changing the note's background color can make a big difference, especially for visual learners or if you are working late and want a softer background to reduce eye strain. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.